Want to create a WhatsApp group to stay in touch with multiple people at once? Here's how to do it. First, open WhatsApp and navigate to the Chats tab. Now tap the new chat icon. Select the contacts you want to add to your group. Once you have selected the contacts, tap Next. Now enter a name for your group. This will be visible to everyone in the group. You can also add a group photo by tapping the camera icon and choosing a picture from your gallery or taking one on the spot. After setting the group name and photo, tap Create and your group will be ready. You can adjust the group settings to decide who can edit the group info and send messages. How many WhatsApp groups do you manage? Let me know in the comments below. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.